Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to insert or add page numbers in Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Insert tab up at the top, and then on the right side, right above header and footer, so I guess more so in the middle of this page here, you want to select page number, click on the little drop down, and now, depending on where you want to put the page number, is going to dictate how you move forward here. So you have one at the top of the page, you can select and highlight over that and then drag your mouse over and select where you want it on the page. So if you want it on the far right up in the top, you'd select that. If you want at the bottom of the page, you would select this option and then you would select one of the three positions. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. So once you're done with that, you just would select close header and footer. And there you go. You should have the page number visible in the footer or header, again, depending on which option you selected back there. But pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.